So you're thinking about moving to Orland Park, Illinois, but you want to know what it's like to actually live in Orland Park, Illinois before you actually, get there and actually decide to make that move. Well, you found the right video today, because in this video today, I'm actually in Orland Park and I'm going to take you around to some different homes at some different price points so you can see exactly what your money's worth here in Orland Park. All right. And then I'm also going to take you around the town so you can see what's in Orland Park as well. So stick around to the end. All right. And we're about to get after it right now. Let's go. If this is your first time on this channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Chicago and the neighboring suburbs like Orland Park, subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Chicago. Hey, what's up? It's Marlon here with my team, and we get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day looking to make that move to Chicago, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, don't hesitate. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so we can help you make a smooth move to Chicago. But hey, let's go check out Orland Park today. All right, so we're here at our first spot in Orland Park, and I have to say, on my drive in, it was really nice. I got to, see a lot of the really big and, grand style homes here in Orland Park. So, I can't wait till we get to our other properties so you can see those for yourself and see, what you're gonna get here in Orland. But we're rolling up here on our first property. It's gonna be this one right here. It's gonna be listed on the market currently right now for $465,000. It's gonna have been price cut by about $14,000 as well. So that is really nice. So if you do like this home, you make sure you let us know so we can secure it for you. But you're gonna get 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2,000 square feet of home here, in Orland for $465,000. So that is nice. And with a lot of these homes as well, you're gonna get, a really nice backyard. It's gonna be really spacious. You put a trampoline or anything you want back there. You're most likely gonna have a stone or a brick porch back there. So that is nice. And these types of homes, kind of in these communities are going to be built in the late 70s and the early 80s. So this one that we're passing was built in 1978. So, that's not too long ago. And that just kind of tells you a story about a lot of these homes here. So, and there are going to be some new homes as well popping up. So that is really nice. But just kind of back up, kind of tell you a little bit more about the community here. The streets are really clean. You can kind of see people like to park on their driveways, which kind of keeps the streets really clean. And, it's really quiet in this neighborhood as well. So that is really nice. If you're looking for privacy for your family, if you're looking for a quiet neighborhood, you're going to find that here in Orland. And only for $400,000, that's going to be a huge plus as well. So that's what we're getting here. You can see a lot of these homes as well. They have 2-car garages out front as well. And, some of them have some small porch areas in the front of the homes as well. So that is really nice. And a lot of these driveways too can fit about, I would say, maybe 3 or 4 cars on it comfortably without you having to stretch onto the street. So this is what you're getting in Orland Park for $400,000 as well. And again, price cut for about $14,000. So it was priced at close to $480,000, but $465,000 now, this is what you're getting here in Orland Park. So this is it. We're going to take you around the community so you can see a lot of these homes that are similar to this type of home that are available here in this community as well. And then we're going to go ahead and jump over to our next property. I'll see you there. All right, so we're here at our second property, and before I even get into the second property, I want to just point out something about these homes in Orland. I can, just by walking around here on the streets, you can kind of notice that these homes have really good curb appeal. So, if down the line you're looking to sell your home and you give us a call or something like that, and you live in Orland, you're not going to have any problem trying to sell your home, here in Orland Park, okay? Because these homes have really good lawns. They have some really nice trees here that grow beautiful leaves in the summertime. The streets are quiet. This is a great community. One of the top neighborhoods that people, are moving to here in Chicago. So that's just a great thing to have. And I wanted to make sure that you knew that, okay? But as we roll up here on our second property, this one here is gonna be $600,000. You're gonna get 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and this is gonna be a 3,100 square feet of home here. So, that is really, really good. Think about that. For only $600,000, you're getting 3,000 square feet of home. This one is built in '76, but it was recently completely renovated. So the entire inside looks brand new. So that is super great to have. Again, some really long driveways here as well. So you can fit a couple cars. And, the thing about these homes also in Orland is that, they're going to come with basements. So if you like to have a basement in your home, you're going to have a really nice basement in a lot of these homes here in Orland Park. And, most of them as well are going to already be finished. So you're not going to have to do any finishing for these basements here, on your home. So that's going to be a huge luxury to have. Think about that, right? You get a new home and the basement's already done. You just go down there. And if you're a man, make it your man cave. Or if you have, a wife, or if you're the wife and you just want to go ahead and make your space down there as well, get creative. Do all of that, right? You can do all of that here in Orland Park in Chicago. It's just super great, okay? But that right here is $600,000, 5 beds, 4 baths, 3,000 square feet, right? It's gonna put you at $194 per square foot as well, okay? So that's what we're getting here in Orland Park for $600,000. I think that is just absolutely great, okay? So, if you like this home, let us know. But, we're gonna go again, drive around the community so you can see what other homes are available as well that are very similar to this home. And then we're gonna take you to our last property and we'll see what that one's talking about. Let's do it. All right, so we're here at our third spot here in Orland Park, and my goodness, this third spot is literally will blow your socks off. All right, but as I was driving around here, as you kind of get more up in the price, you're gonna get into more private communities where the homes are gonna be really well separated. They're gonna be on a lot more land than just some of the other homes that we've maybe showed you today. But as we roll up here on our third and final property here, I want you guys to see it here. It's right here. It's gonna be just recently renovated in 2021, so that is something that is great about it. But just to tell you some more, this home is going to be listed on the market right now for $900,000. You're gonna get 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, right? And it's gonna be 3,400 square feet. So think about that, right? You have a really, big home here. It's gonna be, on a private community. It's very quiet in this neighborhood as well, which is a great thing. If you have family and kids, you wanna be in a quiet neighborhood, this is gonna be one of the top spots that you could choose as well. You're gonna have a huge backyard there. They're actually having an open house here today, so I actually went in there and I was able to tour it. Really good, really big owner's suite. You have some those 5 bedrooms are really nice. You have a nice finished basement as well. There's even a recording studio in the basement, so that is really nice. Really big back porch as well. So, a lot of stuff is coming with this home here on the market for $900,000, and that is really great. And just to kind of give you an idea on kind of what the backyards look like in Orland, in this area here, when you start to get up there in the price, they're gonna start looking like this, okay? And just think about that. That's a lot of land, a lot of grass for you and your family, you and your kids. So they're gonna get a lot of exercise, which is gonna be great for them, all right? So that's what you're getting here in Orland Park for $900,000. And I think that's just super great. Next, what we're gonna do is take you around the area so you can see some of the homes that are available in this area as well for the similar price range. And then, if you see something that you like or something that you are interested in, do not hesitate. Let us know. Choose call, choose to text, choose to email so we can help you make a smooth move to Orland or to Chicago, because that's all we're trying to do. All right, but again, we're going to take you around the city here so you can see what's available. And until I see you next time, until I see you in Chicago, peace.